Hello, superstars. Consonant blends. Two-letter separate sound. Ter, tr, fr, kr, br, gr, dr. Such type of combination of letters are said as blends. They will come with only consonants. So we will call them as consonant blends. Look at the first photo, frog. Frog. Og. FR should be added to that. Frog. Next one. Great. Truck. Ak. Next. Wow. Brown. BROWN. Next one. Crab. CRAB. Next one. Drum. 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 Next one. Green. Green. Next. Drink. DRINK. Ink. Drink. Grass. ZR. Grass. Crown. CR. Like that, we have to write the blends wherever you find two letters with two sounds. Kr, br, like that. Bl. Now, pause the video. Start to fill the page. Best of luck, super kids.